The farmers had made it absolutely clear that we do not believe in violence. And I don't believe that they were involved in this. I think it was people who had infiltrated this movement. There are plenty of people. We are sitting on the border here, and I keep reporting back, and they know in Delhi jolly well what exactly is happening on our border. So it is some body, as now it's for them to investigate and see who has entered that and who has done this. And the government better be on its toes. I have been warning them for a long time that Pakistan is trying to infiltrate. Their weapons are coming in. They've got sleeper cells here which they can awaken anytime they wish, and you better be clear. And a disturbed Punjab suits Pakistan's policies.
Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh has revealed that Pakistan has been pushing illegal drugs and weapons into India amid the farmers' protest to cause a disturbance in the border state and demanded a probe into the matter. The Punjab Chief Minister has learned from the security forces that more and more illegal drugs and weapons are being pushed into India from across the border, and he feels there is a deep conspiracy behind it which needs to be probed, according to media reports. Amarinder Singh stated that he has been warning the central government for a long time that Pakistan is trying to infiltrate. He further warned the authorities, saying that Pakistan has sleeper cells which they can activate, and a disturbed Punjab suits Pakistan's policy. I have a hostile country on my western border. On the north of us, we have China. These two countries are going to collude. About 20% of the Indian army belongs to this area, and we can't allow their morale to go down. I think we should be cautious in our choice of putting out news which should not create a situation where the morale of our troops goes down, Punjab CM told the news agency ANI. Amarinder Singh said Pakistan has been sending weapons through drones and is also trying to cause infiltration. There has been a spurt in drone delivery since the farmers' agitation started, and weapons, money and heroin have been coming in, he added. The Chief Minister said he met the Union Minister Amit Shah in November after farmers' agitation moved to Delhi borders to convey his concerns about Pakistan's attempts to cause a disturbance. I went during the farmers' strike to see the Home Minister when everyone started making big news about farmers' struggle to discuss the issue that has taken place. Since the farmers' struggle started in October, the number of weaponry that is coming to Punjab from Pakistan has increased. It is drones that are bringing it in. That was what was concerning me, because those drones that bring weapons are meant for something. They are not sent as a present here. We may capture 30 drones, but there are 20 to 30 that may get past us to their objectives, he said.
Well, my outlook is very clear that this is completely something that no Indian can be proud of. The Red Fort is a symbol of our independence. This was the capital of the Mughals, it was the capital of the British, and we took that. Our own freedom fighters led by Gandhiji, eventually the Indian flag was raised there on the 17th of August in 1947, and it was always a symbol of Indian democracy, and it was a very sad day when I saw this happening.
News Desk, Kaumudi English.